Neville, I'm one of the guys, and welcome to Fort Fincastle, ladies and gentlemen. This fort here was built in 1793 by the British Governor, Lord Stanwell. This fort here was shaped like a boat. We have 3 cannon guns in this fort and 2 small. These are not the original cannon gun. They see the real set was shipped back to England. You see that first door right there? That is a guard room and a resting area for the soldiers. That's where the soldiers used to be. Anybody want to go inside, take a picture, I'll shut the gate and lock the door. I don't have no key, I can't home. You might see some holes in the wall. These are ventilation, air can do. See the second one here? This is called a heating room. They'll heat the cannonball, but then when the cannon fired out the ship, when you hit the ship, it burn it down. You know what they call it? Hot shot. Great balls of fire. Ladies and gentlemen, this last door here, they say this is where they keep the guns and the ammunition. Take a look inside here. Take a look up top. It'll benefit upstairs. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand white building straight across there. Now this is the Bahamas Royal Force. See the 3 green buildings way in the back. You get Bahamas, you get Crystal Palace. They say you win some or you lose some. See that great building there, building 1969. That's where you're supposed to let them get your mail. You don't get our mail to our house. We go to the post office. This is where all the cruise ship is coming. We have Paradise Island, Paradise Bridge on the side. You get across. You can take a ferry boat or you can take a taxi. But I say the cheapest fare is you like to swim it across. They have a suite for $25,000. Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, Oprah Winfrey, Stevie Wonder, and other big stars. I don't really know what they get for $25,000. I don't want to know. Let them know. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let y'all go up and this is as far as I go.